Morning, everybody. Let's keep on talking about the gut skin axis from another point of view. Contrary to common belief, acne vulgaris is not a simple skin infection. Other factors concur, such as hormonal mediated hyperproduction of sebum, inflammatory condition, and skin microbiota dysbiosis, characterized by overproliferation of propionic bacterium acnes. Such a definition is not completely rooted with dermatologists, and clinical practice still focuses on antibiotics and anti-inflammatory drugs, while diet and dermobiotic approach start providing encouraging and long-term results. In this context, let me recall Symbalance Probiotic Shield, already shared this week for the astonishing and long-lasting results on atopic dermatitis. In a second clinical trial against acne, this probiotic complex showed to improve skin sebum, pH, and hydration with consistent and significant results in 8 weeks. During the intake period, the number of acneic lesions and comedons was dramatically reduced, together with an important resolution in terms of inflammatory status and complexion evenness. According to its scientific dossier, the Symbalance Probiotic Shield is able to counteract the acne triggering factors by promoting intestinal eubiosis, by reducing gut permeability and endotoxemia, and by controlling systemic and local inflammation. Do you know where to find more information? Not yet? Come to Symbalance dedicated website. Bye bye.